next operation is slicing the list. Slicing the list similar to slicing the string. Look at the syntax. L is a variable name. There is a square bracket because sequence is accessed through the index value. So first one is a start. The default start value is a 0. It is a included one. Next there is a stop. The default stop value it is a length of the string. It is a excluded one. Default step value is a +1. So positive numbers means it is a forward indexing. There is a negative number means it is called as a backward indexing. Let's see the example. In the list, L is containing 11 to 99, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 0 to 8, how many elements? There is a 9 elements. Now I am going to explain your list slicing. So the variable name is a L. There is a square bracket. Inside the square bracket I am going to give there is a 0, colon, there is a 6, there is a colon, there is a 2. So 0 is a start value, it is a included one. 6 is a stop value, so it is a excluded. So I want to consider up to the 5 only. So 0 to 5. So how much step value? There is a 2. So I want to visit the two elements. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I am not taking the 6 means the stop value it is a excluder. So from 11 to 66 I want to move to the two elements. So first it will take the 11, next to 1, 2, so there is a 33, 1, 2, there is a 55. Why we are not taking the 66 means it is not, there is no 66, 77, 1, 2 means 77, 77 not in the range. So we want to print 11, 33 and 55 only, it is displayed as a result. Are you clear here? I will explain with another one more example. Same list I am going to take. There is a square bracket. So the start value is a 7, colon sign. Next there is a 3. So the step value I am going to give them negative number. There is a negative number means it is a backward indexing. So consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is my start value? There is a 7. So I want to start from the 88. So what is my stop value? There is a 3. 3 means I want to stop before the number. So there is a 8 means here there is a 7. So there is a 6, 5, 4, 3. So 3 means I am not going to take this 44. So only 88 to 55. So how many skips I want to do? 3 skips, minus 3. So first it will print 88, 1, 2, 3 because there is a minus 3. So from the backward direction I want to come. So 88 and 55 only there is a output. Okay, I hope so you are clear with the list slicing also. If you want to know about slicing in detail, watch the string video too. The next operation is using the slicing for the list modification. You can use the slices to overwrite one or more element in the list. You can use the slicing also for the updating the element in the list. See the example. The list is containing 1, 2 and 3. So L of 0 there is a 1. L of 1 there is a 2, L of 2 there is a 3. Now I am going to use the string slicing for the updation, that means modification. Now I am going to give there is a L, there is a square bracket. Now I am going to give 0, colon, there is a 2. What is stored in a L? Variable name is a L, 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2. Because 0 is a start value, 2 is a stop value. So stop value with the excluded. So I want to take only the 0 and 1 alone. So only 1 and 2 I am going to take. So next I am going to use the equal to. Equal to it is nothing but assignment operator. Next it is a list. So we want to update the another list only. So there is a list I am going to give. There is a 1 comma there is a 2. So the 1 and 2 it is assigned. Why it is assigned? Equal to operator. 1 and 2 assigned to the 0th to second location. In 0, 1 location 1 and 2 we are going to replace. Now see, I am going to print the value of L. Now what is a result here? ONE1 and TWO2. Instead of ONE1 TW2 in the wordings the number is replaced. Like the string slicing we can update the values also. The next concept is making the true copy of the list. There are two ways to copy the list. The first method using the assignment operator. It is also called as a shallow copying. Okay, consider this example. There is a colors equal to assignment operator. There is a square bracket, means it is called as a list. So the list is, now look at the second statement, C is equal to colors. Now the colors values are assigned to the C because there is a in between, there is a assignment operator. Now the both the list colors and C, both the names are labeled referring to the same list only. So if you are doing any changes in the colors, it automatically reflect in the C also. Now let's see the example. Consider this example, colors containing the value red, blue and green. Now I am going to assign the value using the assignment operator. That means I am going to copy the one list to another list using the assignment operator. So C is equal to, there is a colors. So the value of colors is copied into the C. So both is referring the same memory location. So if I do any changes in the color, it automatically reflect in your C also. Okay, now see, I am going to give, there is a colors of 1 is equal to black. Okay, now what is stored in a 0, 1. So what is stored in the colors of 1? There is a blue. Instead of blue, I am going to change as a black color. Now you can see, I am going to print the value of colors. So now it is changed. Instead of blue, it is black color. Now I am going to print the value of C. So the same changes reflected in the C also, because colors and C is stored in a same memory location. Next method is using the list function. It is also called as a deep copy. This method only used to create the true copy of the list. So first there is a colors equal to, it is storing the value like red, blue and green. Now the colors, it is given inside the list function. Using the assignment operator, we are assigning the value to the C. But in this method, colors and C will stored in a separate memory location. So what are the changes we are doing in the colors? It is never going to reflect in your C. So let's see the example. The colors containing the value red, blue and green. Using the list function, the colors value assigned to the C. Now I made any changes in a color, it never going to reflect in the C because it is referring the different memory location. So I am going to give, there is a colors of 1 is equal to, there is a yellow. So what is stored in a colors of 1? 0, 1, there is a blue. So instead of blue, I am going to change as a yellow. Now press the enter key. Now I am going to print the colors. Now red, yellow, green. So instead of blue, now it is changed into yellow. Now print the value of C. So now there is no changes in your C. So before red, blue, green, after changes, it is not reflected in the C. So if you are doing any changes in a colors, it never going to reflect in a C because we are using the list function. This is only, it is called as a creating the true copy of the list. Thank you all. I meet you shortly with another video.